Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to our channel. Today my topic is honey. Want better Amazon prices? Honey is a very browser explanation that look for better prices on Amazon. By comparing sellers for you, it's also your tracking and price history tool all in one. Join Honey for free. How it works: add Honey to desktop, look for the Honey button on Amazon, buy hyper. We look for lower prices. What you see may not always be the lowest prices, so we compare Amazon sellers even factoring and estimated shipping cost to look for the most savings. Amazon price history. Not sure if it's a good time to buy that item. One click and you will see the changes that we found in prices. Then you can decide to buy now or wait. Price drop alerts made easy. Add items to your drop list and will notify you once we detected a lower price. We can even move your Amazon save for later items for you. Our 70 million members already use Honey. How Honey Gold works: first, create an account. It's 100% free and completely secure. Number two, active and earn gold. Earn gold while you shop. Third, redeem gold for free gift cards. Get gift cards at popular stores. A better reward program. What makes our customers loyalty program so special? One, select items. We find you money saving compounds and reward you with gold. And wherever you spend online, get Honey Gold whenever you shop for 4,500 sites like Messi, Groupon, Walmart, even eBay and AT&T and dot. It's like having multiple rewards programs in one. Automatic rewards up to 50% back. The best loyalty program are easy to use and pay you back big time. With Honey Gold, you shall automatically earn up to 20% back on purchases. Our gift to you: we earn a commission when you visit our partner stores. We share the earnings with you in the form of Honey Gold, which you can redeem as gift cards. Bonus Honey Gold offers. Stay on the lookout for Honey Gold bonuses. That means you will earn an even larger amount of gold on that items. It adds up faster than you think. And 100 gold get a $10 gift card. Once you earn 1,000 Honey Gold, redeem it for a gift card from stores like Nordstrom, Sephora, eBay, and more. If you have ever wondered how to get Chipotle gift cards, now you know. 550 5,500 stores have gold with your name on it. We want Honey Gold to be the best rewards program for you. Check out some of the reviews from our members. Our mission to make the world more fair. We believe everyone should have the information they need to make the best decision with their money. It's easy to spend money online, but getting the most value is a different story. Take shopping for example. Finding the best the best deal takes time. Prices change depending on the buyer, and payment methods are not always in your best interest. We don't think that's fair. Honey is here to help. We give everyone the tools it takes to find the best saving perks and all around value, and we make them free and easy to use, so you can always spend with confidence. If it involves spending money online, we shall be there to help. Our tools, your money is more powerful than you think. Put Honey to work for you. First, Savings Finder. Savings Finder, our original and most popular tool, automatically find and applies coupon codes on popular sites on clicks. Click is all it takes. Our business model, we earn a commission from stores when you find savings. We don't do is sell or share your data. You can read our privacy policy. So click now. A letter from our founders, users of the internet. We care about privacy just like you do, and as fellow human beings, we think you deserve to know exactly what you can expect from your honey experience. Before you read our privacy policy, we first like to help you now. Tell you how we think about privacy in simple terms. We do not sell your personal information ever. Honey works by finding you are the best deals. When you buy something with a honey coupon, promo code or offer, the stores sometimes pay us a fee. That's how we make money. We do not need to or want to sell your information. So how do we use your data? First and foremost, we analyze some information of the retail website you are on, so that we can look for great coupons for that sites our product. Also, we collect limited shopping data or support the honey community. That means honey members share real time information about deals, prices and products with the rest of the community to help everyone save time and money. Want to know which promo code works? Sure, any other members just tested all of the codes with Honey 5 minutes ago. Want to see when a product you are interested it goes on sale, and another Honey member is helping us update the price right now when shoppers hunt for deals to